Incremental ratings. I'm going to show something epic in SuperMemo. So look at this. You have a hint. First, do you see how pretty it looks? How eye candy? This looks more Anki-Style. What's the capital city of Australia? A lot of people think it's Sydney or Melbourne, perhaps as a second option. It's not. You have a hint before you can answer. That will be without the answer. Not only that, because actually this is done via JavaScript, because this is a web view component which has been introduced in SuperMemo 20. I can listen to key events, so I can press a key and toggle this, so I can have a mouseless approach. How cool is that? This is just a hint, and keep in mind this could be a picture if you don't want a component, so you could have like an Anki experience. And another flow. Imagine this. You have now formulae, right? I have a video about this. So now it's empty. So imagine that, hey, I want to use LaTeX, Sigma, and then I am done, render this. Ba-ba-boom! And I can revert. If you have a flow that you need to edit those incrementally, because you do proofs or whatever, you need this notation. Then let me change the 1 to 11, and then I just render once again. And here you go. This is awesome. So every time you edit, you just click on revert. This is achieved by the script. If you remember, that's the same script as MatJax, but then you just add another one. You add the button that you want, and basically the logic, right? That I want the dollars as the notation to use, and so on. It's awesome. I only have shown the hint and the LaTeX as some examples. This is endless. Whatever flow you may have is very likely it can be done with JavaScript, like in Anki, that you may use custom templates. It can be done here in SuperMemo. But again, it's SuperMemo. There's one tiny limitation. Now this is not going to work. Why? This has broken. Easy. Because whenever you click on edit file, view source, or whatever, SuperMemo will do this. It's escaping the quotations. That is the HTML entity, right? So I can still do a find and replace it with a character, save the contents, and it will be working once again. Do you see? Awesome. This will also be the case if you transfer a branch or merge collections, stuff like this. So SuperMemo treats this text, it will be broken. But again, without a hotkey, then that can be automated. In the meantime, I hope that this is fixed. I will do the request to Wozniak, so this is not happening. So you can have this flow from now on. Hey, I want to make it pretty, or you have an Anki deck that is shared. You want to import it in SuperMemo, you could as well, always. But now you can make it even prettier. You have extra fields or whatever you want, any logic you want, now it's possible. That's because the web view component, this one, is not an HTML component. So this is only possible with SuperMemo 20. Let me know if you like this, and I will spend some time to actually do a compilation of the requests. So I will have these as an extra for the course, the principal guide to SuperMemo, just because people are not donating. So to create an incentive, you will be getting this. So you need to troubleshoot and stuff like this. Let me know. But I'm pretty sure some people that, SuperMemo is a deal breaker. Hey, perhaps not anymore. If that's the case, remember, with my link, you get 10% off. The only way to get a discount. And by the way, last thought, it's not limited to items. You can do this to topics as well. So whatever you can do with JavaScript, I'm pretty sure can be done. That's all for now. See you incrementally.